In this video, we're going to look at Simudza Maoko, a song done by Toki Vibes. So Toki Vibes is one of the best young artists from Zimbabwe. So among the young artists, he's a top 5 musician, and he has been churning some hits since he burst onto the scene with his hit song Amai. But today we are looking at the song Simudza Maoko. The main theme of the song is Toki is trying to encourage people never to give up. Even when things seem to get worse, never give up. Keep on pushing towards achieving your goals. So if you set your goals, it's up to you to work hard to achieve them. This particular song especially is quite encouraging. So I encourage you guys to be encouraged by this song as well as we look into the meanings and the lessons that are part of this song. One of the verses, Toki says, Simudza usakande mapfumo pasi. What he's saying is, he's saying, do not surrender to your problems. Problems will always come. Everyone has got problems. There's no one under the sun who has got a problem-free life. So when this happens, try to resolve the problem and do not surrender. Then he goes on to say, kungave kure asi tinosvika bedzi. It doesn't matter how big the challenge is. It doesn't matter how big the problem seems to be. You will achieve your goals if you work hard to achieve them. Ro wane chando richauya juzi. Even if it looks cold, even if it is cold outside, the clouds are getting dark, everything seems to be collapsing around you, remember the sunshine will come tomorrow. That should be your encouragement. Remember, everything that happens in your life, every encouragement or discouragement is coming from your own brain. So Toki here is saying, when you are in those dark times, look ahead to the sunny days, and that will encourage you to say, I'm here, but I'm moving towards this particular goal, and that should encourage you to keep on going. Simuka usabvume kugara pasi. Do not be lazy. Keep hustling. Keep moving. Do not sit down. That's what he's saying literally. Keep on going. Keep on moving. He also goes on to say, use all your human strength to keep pushing, because where we're going, if you do not put the work, you might not be able to reach your goal. So to reach your goals, keep on moving, and time is of essence. Do not waste time on things that do not add value to your life. Your time is precious. It's a precious commodity. Do not waste it on things that do not help you to achieve your goals. So you need to be very strict with your time. Then he goes on to say, rwendo rwacho rurefu hapana nguva yekutora befu. Here he's saying the journey is long, the challenges are huge, so there's no time to waste. So the lessons that we see in this particular song is that we need to work hard in life, we need to have goals, and once you set those goals, you need to move, keep on moving until you achieve them, and just setting that goal is half the problem solved. So I'll leave you to decipher this song, which you can listen to from Toki's YouTube channels. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please share, like, and subscribe. Let us know any song that you might want us to analyze on this channel. See you later.